It's a certified 2018 Nissan Frontier. With this versatile mid-size truck, tough is always on call. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: VQ engine, 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, external memory control, Bluetooth, air conditioning, front tow hooks, electronic shift on the fly, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. New Car Test Drive observes the driver grasps a nicely sized, not too large steering wheel with a rim that has a tab-like enlargement on each side, right where you want to rest your thumbs to maintain a proper 9 and 3 o'clock driving position. Nissan excites the senses so you can enjoy the journey. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
At Arizona Car Sales, the price you see is the best upfront price, and you don't have to negotiate for it. Get the car, truck, or SUV you want and experience the Arizona Car Sales difference today.